Huh? Unless one surrenders, he cannot hear. He has some pride in him. Oh, I know better. Yes. I know better. It's such a proud fellow, puffed up fellow. You understand? What will say and what I hear? So this Harikatha will never enter into this. Because he runs after his own name, fame, prestige, material gain, profit. Not for the pleasure of Guru and Gauranga, not for the pleasure of Guru and Krishna. His heart is contaminated, not purified heart. Understand? So, first item is hearing, and one who hears this Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Katha, he must first surrender.